Hi, Michael here with the Makeup Light, and today we're going to do a quick assembly on the articulating arm. It comes in a few pieces, so we just want to kind of clear it up as to exactly the best way to assemble this for your use. So the first thing you're going to do is to attach the C-clamp to a solid surface. It can be vertical, it can be horizontal. We have this clamp to this countertop, so it's very sturdy on here. Next, we're going to take the articulating arm. This is the piece that actually flexes out. And you have a simple post down here that goes into the slot like this. You're going to tighten it down a bit like that. You still have movement with it. Then we're going to take the panel mount, and it attaches into, you'll see some slots and it'll have some little hooks there. So you put those in, press up from the bottom, and it'll click into place. And then this is the feature that actually holds your light panel. Then you're going to take your light panel, you loosen this lever here, you raise this up, drop your light panel in, you center it up into the bracket, close it down, and then you're going to tighten it, and then you're going to tighten these little grippers here on each side, and that holds your light panel. Now your light panel has complete use and flexibility, and you can turn it and angle it any way you like and get full extension out of it as well.